Let's go ahead and turn the stove on right around medium or so. We'll put maybe on medium to medium high just to get it the skillet warmed up. Now what I like to use is a cast iron skillet. I think it browns everything better and just gives a little bit more flavor, but if you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can certainly use any kind of skillet that you already have. Now we're just going to take a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, drop it in there. We'll say maybe a tablespoon or so. Don't have to be real precise. We just want to make sure that the sausage isn't going to stick. Now the sausage is already releasing a lot of, I don't want to say grease, but that's the only word I can think of that's, you know, it's not too pretty, but it's going to release some fat and it's not going to stick too bad anyway. Now, this is about a half of a pound of just ground country sausage. You could use Italian sausage, but I like to add my own spices. So I'm going to add close to a teaspoon. Again, this is depending on your taste. If you like it hot, use more. If you don't, use less. So when the pan gets hot and you start to hear a really good sizzle, you're going to start breaking it up so that it's in little pieces. You don't want huge chunks. You want it pretty finely ground so that it goes through the stuffing evenly. And you're just going to keep doing this until everything gets brown and turns a really pretty color. You don't want any pink in there. And while you're cooking it in this pan, it's leaving all the good drippings, all the good juices, all the good flavor from the sausage. So it's starting to look really good. It's got a nice color. There's a little bit of pink in there. We're just going to move it around until it's all cooked. But start turning a really nice color of brown. And that looks good. Now let's go ahead and move on to chop the celery, the fennel, and the garlic.